All right. Are we on YouTube? Are we doing this? I think we might be. Although YouTube says that we're not. Let me go double check. I got to make sure we're actually streaming here. Bear with me as we test things out here. The software says that we're streaming, but I don't know if we're actually streaming. Trying to cover this warning for a radar tornado. Let's see what we've got here. Does it say we're live? It does say that we are live. Let's double check. Indeed we are. Look at that. Love it. All right. So we are live on YouTube. Took a little while to get here. I don't know how many folks will see this live stream. It's more of a test and a proof of concept to see if this will work. We were doing forecasting and a live streaming over on Facebook for about an hour and a half as some strong storms rolled their way through. Wanted to switch over and see if we could do this on YouTube now. So bring you up to speed. Warnings in place. Severe thunderstorm warnings around the Kansas City metro area. It looks like a new warning has just come out in the past couple of minutes. An extension of the previous warning. This will now go until 3:45 for Cass County, for Clinton County, Clay County, Ray County, Lafayette County, Jackson County, Johnson County, Missouri, and Livingston County as well. 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts and maybe some penny-sized hail. Plus these little spin-ups. This was the nastiest one we might have had earlier today. Previously, let's back the radar up here. There was a decent little bit of rotation showing up near Independence, near the stadiums around Raytown. It has since lost a bit of that rotation, but there's still bright shades of green on top of Buckner right now, so some pretty strong wind gusts. And there you go. A new warning for a tornado has now been issued by the National Weather Service. Let's check this out. Sirens will be going off, phones as well. National Weather Service in Kansas City issued a new tornado warning for southeastern Clay County, southern Ray County, northwestern Lafayette County, northeastern Jackson County until 3:30 this afternoon. As of 2:54, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sibley or around Buckner, moving east at about 35 to 45 miles per hour. This is a radar-indicated tornado. Radar indicated. The concern here is this may drop a funnel to the ground at any moment. This is between Buckner and Sibley. Doesn't show classic on the Doppler radar, but there are still enough signals in there to warrant some concern by the National Weather Service. So once more, this is a Doppler radar indicated tornado working its way to the north and northeast, heading toward Camden and eventually toward Henrietta. That'll be in the next half hour to about 45 minutes. At the same time, we've also got these brighter shades of green outside of that red box. That's just some straight line wind gusts. And if that's not enough to get you, the rainfall, it has been pouring buckets, all these shades of orange and red, just heavy, heavy rain. And this stretches way down toward Mound City near Garnett. It's been raining all day. Flash flood warnings are pretty much encompassing the entire metro Kansas City area. Those are the green boxes that I'm flashing on and off the screen. So yes, it has been a very wild day for thunderstorms, not just around Kansas City, but even back toward Wichita. Southern sections of Kansas have been inundated with water. Numerous pictures of flooded out roadways as the rain just will not stop. Let's stop the radar view, and I want to put on the past 1 hour rainfall, and this will show you through Butler County. Look at that, south of El Dorado, east of Augusta. I mean, that is just some torrential rain that has fallen in just the past hour, over 2.5 inches of rain in some cases. What about toward the Kansas City metro area? A similar idea. It's just been pouring buckets, just the rain really coming down. This is the past hour of rainfall. Nearly 2 inches around Plattsburgh, near Smithville, south and west of Holt. It's just been one of those days. Even Johnson County, Kansas, near Gardner, south of Olathe, rainfall amounts, about 1.2, 1.8 inches suggested inside of here. So it really has been a day of some heavy rain. That's across Missouri and Kansas. At the same time, southeastern Wisconsin has gotten its fair share of some rain, and we had some strong wind gusts earlier. That activity has now since moved out over the lake, but I can take you back on the radar picture just to show you how things were earlier this afternoon. This was at about 1:30 in the afternoon as those storms rolled their way in, producing some pretty strong wind gusts around 50 to 60 miles per hour, having now since moved out over the lake, and the threat for severe weather has diminished across southeastern Wisconsin. The concern right now is Kansas City metro area for these warning boxes in place for tornadoes. The purple box was a radar-confirmed tornado. That warning is set to expire coming up here in about 60 seconds at the top of the hour, having now been replaced by this red box, which is a Doppler radar-indicated tornado. That's set to expire at 3:30 in the afternoon. 3:30 in the afternoon. Potential rotational area is southeast of Sibley or northeast of Buckner, near Orrick, heading toward Fleming and Camden in the next 5 to about 15 minutes. So if you're in this area, know somebody who is, seek shelter. That storm does mean business. I've not seen anything in terms of damage reports, but allow me a moment to go check with the National Weather Service and see if anything has come in since we last checked. Lots of pictures of high water. Lots and lots of pictures of high water. Let's see here. That's the update on the warning for the tornadoes. Sirens are sounding on the plaza. Someone's wondering if this is accidental because the sirens should not be going off the plaza in downtown Kansas City because the storm is east of that area. So sometimes these malfunctions happen. Sometimes things happen during these weather days that aren't intended. It's a lot of things, a lot of moving parts at once, so keep that in mind. Something else to keep in mind, too, with these storms, they're producing a lot of rain, a lot of wind, but not too much in the way of hail. There is one bit of a hail core right now near Missouri City, and I'll tell you, that's probably the best hail core I've seen all day today. This one behind the scenes is telling me there may be some nickel to quarter size hail. It might be around penny size, we could call it. But outside of that, we've not seen a whole lot in the way of hail. These have just been very good rain producers and some pretty mean wind producers as well. The brighter shades of green indicate some very heavy, strong wind gusts rolling their way across the areas. At the same time, the rain has really been coming down, causing some flooding concerns. Those numerous green boxes are flash flood warnings currently in place. So it is one busy afternoon in terms of the rain, in terms of the wind. I'm going to keep my eyes on this. I wanted to jump in, give a quick test run. If you've got some comments, let me know here on YouTube. Find me on Facebook. Let me know what you think about the whole setup, any kind of improvements or anything else that you think might be needed. This is something I might try to do going forward to track the weather as we get more into a rough time of year. So thank you for watching this brief live stream. If we need to jump back